Good morning, students. Welcome to online class. Today, we have to learn under the topic Creative Application the name of the second chapter, Mobile OS and its types. Let us learn the learning objectives. What is an operating system? What is mobile operating system? Google Android OS and its various versions. First, we have to see the definition for the word. What is an operating system? An operating system is a software that controls all the operation of the computer. It is a software. OS is a software. It controls all the operations of a computer. Let us take an example for OS. Microsoft Windows. The next question is, what is mobile operating system? Mobile OS are specially designed to run on mobile devices. If the OS is specially designed for mobile devices, then it is called as mobile operating system. In other words, it can be defined as if a OS is used in smartphones, tablets or other electronic devices, then it is termed as mobile OS. Let us see the example for mobile OS. Apple iOS, Google Android. Now let us see what is meant by smartphone. We are familiar with the word smartphone. Let us know the definition for the word smartphone. Mobile devices with proper OS are called as smartphones. If a mobile device with proper OS, then it is termed as smartphones. Now, learn the difference and similarity between OS and mobile OS. OS controls all the operations of a computer. Mobile OS manage cellular and wireless network connectivity as well as phone access. What is the main difference means? In the mobile OS, we just use as a phone plus operating system functions. Okay. Now, in this lesson, we are going to learn top 10 mobile OS and its functions. But in part 1, let us see Google Android OS. Now, note the symbol for the company, Google Android OS. This is a symbol. I think all are familiar with this symbol. The Google Android OS simply called as Android. If you use the word Android, it is specifically mentioned to Google Android OS. It is the most used mobile operating system in the world. Among all other mobile OS, the Google Android OS is a familiarly used mobile operating system around the world. This OS was created by Android Incorporation. Then it was purchased by Google Incorporation. It was released in the year November 2007. Make a note that Android was released in the year November 2007. Google Play, earlier called as Android Market, is a place where you can download apps for your Android mobile. I think all are well known. If you want to download any app into your mobile means, what you have to use? You just go to the Play Store. In a Google Android, it is a place called Google Play. In early days, it is termed as Android Market. So, Android Market is nowadays it is called as Google Play. That is a place where you can download app for your mobile devices. Now, we have to learn various versions of Android. The first one is Cupcake. That Android version is 1.5. Next one, Donut. Its version is 1.6. Next, Eclair, Android 2.0 and 2.1. Frio. Note that the expansion of the word Frio is frozen yogurt. Its Android version is 2.2. Gingerbread. Next one is Gingerbread. Its version is 2.3. And Honeycomb, its version is 3.0, 3.1 and 3.2. Note the picture. The name of the Android version starts with the letter C. It is in alphabetical order, C, D, E, F, like that. Let us learn some more versions. Ice cream sandwich. The version number is 4.0. Next, Jelly Bean, Android 4.1, 4.2, 4.3. KitKat, Android 4.4. Up to this only we just learn in the book. But after the KitKat version, they just introduced Lollipop version 5, Marshmallow version 6, Nougat version 7, and Oreo Android version 8. Then at present we are in Pi Android version 9. But up to KitKat only they just indicate in the textbook. Now note the letters of the Android version. I already told you the letters of the Android version starts with C. At present they just indicate in the textbook K, but we are in the Android version Pi. Its version is number 9. The various version was released using code names and alphabetical order. Most of the apps for mobile devices, I think all are well known about mobile devices. In most of the apps, for example, let us take the game app that can be written by using a computer programming language. What are the languages frequently used? C, C++, and Java. Now, what are the points we just learned in this part? Go through it. The first point is an operating system is a software. Operating system means it is a software which control all the operation of the computer. Let us see the example, Microsoft Windows. The second one, operating system used in smartphones, then it is called as mobile operating system. Example for mobile operating system is Google Android. The Google Android, simply called as Android. It was created by Android and purchased by Google. It was released in the year November 2007. Then Google Play, earlier called as Android Market. Google Play, earlier called as Android Market. Android Market means it is a place where you can download app for your Android mobile. Now it's time to ask question. Look at the question, first one. Android was released in November dash. Observe the options carefully and try to give the answer by yourself. Android was released in November dash. The second question is, most of the apps for mobile devices are written in dash programming languages. Most of the apps for mobile devices are written in dash programming languages. The third question is, Google dash earlier called as Android Market. See the options carefully and try to pick up the correct answer. Now check the answer with the help of answer key. The first one is Android was released in November 2007. The second question, most of the apps for mobile devices are written in C, C++, Java programming language. So just pick the answer D, all of this. The second answer for the question number 2 is all of this, C, C++, and Java programming languages. Third question, Google Play, earlier called as Android Market. Now it's time for activity. Guess the versions of Android OS from the picture given below. Look at the picture and observe the picture carefully. What is the name of the Android version? Very good. The first answer is KitKat. Observe the second picture. Try to give the answer by yourself. S. The second answer is Eclair. Third one. Observe the picture carefully. S. Very good. Jelly bean is the correct answer for this picture. Fourth one. Very good. Donut. Donut is the answer for this one. Now the last one. Observe the picture carefully. Try to give the answer. Honey comb. Okay, students. The remaining mobile OS we just learn only one mobile OS in this lesson. The remaining OS can be we just learn in the next part. Thank you, students.